Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna do something different today. It's the first ever toy review. Luke.
Cause I like toys.
Luke doesn't. I still have makeup from the other video. I still have makeup from the video. This was filmed yesterday. Dude, my makeup thing was filmed yesterday and I still use it. Alright, so we're gonna do the Magic Mixie small version.
Mixlings.
Luke says no.
Choice the matter.
Alright, let's go ahead and get into it.
Shh, it's just Kay here. What kind of mixling are we gonna get? Are we gonna get the common, the rare, the ultra rare, or limited edition?
Hey, what are you doing with the phone?
Don't tell Josh. See you in a minute. Can I do it?
Sure, go ahead.
Can I do it?
You can do it now.
Are you sure?
Yes.
There's lots and lots of steps, so we gotta do it right. So first step is I gotta remove this thingy-mabobber. So what way do I go? I just keep twisting. Ooh. Okay. So it popped open, and now I gotta get my magic wand. Get my magic wand. Okay. Alright, so what do I do? Do I need water? I might need water, I don't know. Hold on a second. So,
Give a second.
okay. So I pull out the tabby thingy. I open the lid, and now I have my little Spectrum Patronus!
It's copyrighted.
No. Not like that. I'm not gonna say it like that.
Luke.
So now, looks like I'm supposed to rub this thingy-mabobber. What do I do? I rub it. Rub. Nothing's happening. Oh, it is turning lighter. So do I keep rubbing it? Look, it's changing colors. What do I have to keep doing it until it's all white?
I don't know.
These directions stink. Like, these are literally the directions, everyone. So, I'm touching it.
Is this supposed to bubble or something?
Oh no. Oh, hold on. Hold on.
Is that supposed to be closed?
I don't know. That thing is like that.
Oh!
All right.
Wait, give me the thing.
What
Give me
thing?
the one.
Where? Oh, and hold on. I think let me close this back up.
I thought they were supposed to like pop out.
Not pop?
They're supposed to pop out.
Not pop. Why don't they pop? I don't know. Let's see.
Here, I'm playing with this.
Oh, it's a little cute cat thingy-mabobber.
Shush.
So I got that one.
That is a... Luke, shush. I think that's a Morbin. No, maybe.
Just let him out.
Just let him out and spend some time with him.
I'm just gonna start the other ones.
Jumo.
And this thingy. What's this one? little cat.
That's a Jumo, and that's a
And it came with this.
I think it's like the standard.
Hold on.
Is that a spell?
Sorry, guys. Trying to figure this out.
I think we're supposed to put water on them.
Oh, yeah. So do I? Oh, yes.
No, spellsters come with water. Vanishers, which I think is this guy.
This one.
Shush, Leles.
So that's
Put water. Go get me a small cup of water.
So hold on 1 second.
Give me 2 cups.
Stand by.
Stand by. All right, we're back. As you can see, we did a new little setup and we had to figure some things out. So this one is called a Vanisher, and this one was called a
Jumo.
What was-
Jumo.
ah!
Oh, you knocked it over.
was called an Enchanter. I don't know what their names are.
Yeah, it's an enchanter. Jumo. Jumo.
I don't know what the kitty's called.
And his power is Eclipse. And unfortunately, he's a common one. But the kitty, a Vanisher, you don't know what it is until you put water on it. Is that right?
I guess.
I don't know if we need warm water or cold water. So
I think you did both, but we'll find out.
I'm gonna try. I don't know what it does. Does it need warm water? Is it doing anything?
Are you changing?
Is it doing anything? I'm too impatient. So it may need warm water because it's not doing anything with cold.
Oh, is that warm or cold?
This is cold. Do we need warm?
I thought it said cold is how it changes colors, and warm is how it vanishes.
I'm not doing anything.
Well, you're like waterboarding your kitty.
Do something. I think it's Salma.
Alright, we're gonna go get different water real quick.
What? Do I need to tell him what I'm doing?
Yes, you need to tell him what you're doing.
Sorry. This is why I don't get toys. But as you can see, the little cow thing's eyes change with the magic wand. So they can be yellow, or it looks like a pink color. Change.
Alright, what color? What is that? Warm?
Change.
Okay.
Change.
Okay. Look, new water. This is warm water now.
It is warm, so let's try. Kitty not doing anything.
Okay, go fill this cup with
Cold water.
Cold.
while he sits in the water. This poor little guy. It's like half drowned. All you see is little eyes. It's kind of entertaining, honestly. And 1 second. Okay, now it's going in the cold water because we just got more cold water.
But it's not doing anything. So I don't know if it needs to be like cold.
I still just see eyes.
I mean,
Why aren't
it's
you-
slightly turning blue.
Why aren't
Do you
you
have an ice
changing?
Give me an ice cube.
Drop the ice cube in with him.
It may overflow. Give another ice cube.
Oh, wait. I think, I can't tell if I
Oh,
see.
it's starting to turn blue. So get an ice. Cold ice. Ice.
No, just get ice.
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 Go get ice.
Slowly turning blue. Slowly. Go pour the warm water out.
Oh, hold
Go
on.
pour the warm water out.
Hold on. I'm impatient.
Oh, look. So it needs to be cold ice water.
Okay.
Like, it needs to sit on ice, pretty much cold water. See?
Man, this is.
And then you'll change them back with like normal water.
Let's see.
So it needed to be freezing cold water. Leia.
I'm sit for a minute.
It's
We'll
Captain.
be back in a moment.
It's Captain America, Kitty.
Be back in a moment. Are you ready?
Yeah, we're back.
Are you
Okay,
ready?
so he's been in for
Couple minutes.
a couple minutes.
So as you can see, it turns blue.
The blue.
So we got blue guy and my other one
Is right.
here. So blue and blue.
Ah. Let's go. So that's what we got, guys.
So if you put this one in warm water, it should change back to white and become invisible.
Thanks, guys.